morning, Miss Nina and my fellow friends. Today I'm going to be baking eggless red velvet cookies. I hope you enjoy. Make buttermilk. Take 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vinegar and let it curdle for 15 minutes. Combine the flour, cocoa powder, and baking soda in a clean bowl. Set it aside. In a separate bowl, beat the sugars with the butter till nice and fluffy. Add in the vanilla essence and the red food coloring. This is how you want it to look before you mix in the wet and dry ingredients. Mix the wet and dry ingredients. Add the buttermilk into the cookie dough mixture and combine everything. Add the buttermilk to the cookie dough mixture and combine everything. Refrigerate the cookie dough for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Place the baking paper on the baking tray. White chocolate chips and bake it for another 5 minutes. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed.